What is going on, guys? So this video we are continuing from our previous Pormito install, and we are, well, I kind of unboxed it already. Here it is. This is the BlackboxMyCar PowerCell 8, and this is the external battery. We're going to hardwire the Pormito cam to go ahead and get a parking mode enabled. Alright guys, so here's a quick unboxing right here. It arrived pretty quickly. Overall, they give you everything that you need in terms of a kit, multiple power sources right here. There's a 12-volt hard wiring, comes in the form of this one and this one. So BlackBox was nice enough to go ahead and include a complimentary hardwire kit for the Viafo. And continue with the unboxing. It's very simple, that's it. And a couple of Velcro straps, and that's it. Right under here should be the battery, and then pretty big battery. The whole point of this is to go ahead and save the 12-volt in the battery in the back of the Sienna from draining, right? So this is a common issue from here, right? There are two fuse boxes that I am going to decide which one to hardwire. The rear one, which is the fuse box for all the battery compartments or all the battery stuff in the rear, or the front one. All right, guys, so we basically have everything we need. The benefits of having minivan, you could shoot every angle. PowerCell here, we are going to put this under the passenger seat. This, we have to go ahead and make sure it's long enough to reach the passenger seat. So this, yeah, it should reach, actually. This is gonna go under here, well, the other side. Go under here like that. And then, let's see, hopefully it's long enough. We have to crimp, now that we know which fuse that we need to crimp this together, like that. And then just crimp it together. This one has to be grounded out. And hopefully this is long enough. So we'll see. And this goes from the battery box and charges the Pormito using a mini USB connection. So let us go handheld. All right, so I'm just gonna reach under the mats and try to just pull. Wow, that is quite, I think, pretty easy. Alright, just make sure. Oh no. So for sure, you have to be sure that these plastic rivets right here has to come out. So when I pulled it, this came completely off. Right, the whole thing, except for this one, this came off, which makes life a little easier. So I don't have to pull one less one out. But just remember, you have to pull this out in order to reinstall this. Alright, so we finished off right here. So we're just gonna pop this in. So, let's see if I can reach over here. All right. Okay. And then it should be, whoa, that's it, I'm done. I'm done with the wiring. We're gonna follow the wire through here, under this panel, like that. It goes right under and powers the PowerCell 8. All right, so this is the PowerCell 8, all right. Once everything's hooked up, this will supply power via hard wiring here. We are going to route everything from the passenger side up to the actual Pormito, and this provides a hard wiring kit, and that's it. All right, so let us do the routing or wiring for this. All right, the good thing is it's been crimped by BlackBox. They do everything for us, so you don't have to go ahead and connect each individual wire. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop this trim as well. Going in blind, I hope I don't have to replace any rivets. Again, all right. It just pops up. Oh, there's no rivets. There's just a trim piece right here, and a tab, and this comes off. Very nice. So we're gonna slip this wire right here under where the battery vent is. Goes all the way under here. How do we put this? Maybe. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to loop this micro USB in instead of routing it like that, because I'm afraid it might cause some issues with the panel, and also it seems like it's cleaner. So also Toyota built this harness, or this plastic housing, to keep all the wiring, I guess. I'm hoping it doesn't get stuck midway. Let's see how far I could get it. Yeah, nice, it's right there. All right, so it's right under. All right, so I'm just gonna drag and pull. All right, my main thing is I want this to go under here and stop here. So I want to keep everything nice and clean. So it's almost there. Once it goes under, I'm going to stop. Tuck it in here. Tuck it in a little. And then tuck this in here as well. All right. Should be good. Oh, sure. Wow. So that came out harder than I expected. Accidentally opened the door. All right, so let's close this up. Actually, I don't have to close it. So right here, this attaches to over here, so that's why it's so hard to pull down, but it did come off. Didn't break any tabs. All right, so for reference, this part is where you should hardwire it if you have an OEM camera. So Toyota makes it pretty easy. If you have a connection, you could directly connect it to here and it will turn on when you turn on your car. All right, but we are trying to open this to go ahead and get a better wire management system. Let's take this out. Let's angle this down. It just comes down like that. Oh, it just comes down like that. All right, guys, here you go. Finally, the wiring's complete. Toyota makes it really easy by having these holes right here on the headliner to go ahead and push through the wiring. Everything's gonna be hidden under here. Just quite a bit because it's a 3-channel system. The GPS is right there hidden. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just stick it up there. It has 3M tape, so half of the 3M tape is stuck on like so it doesn't wiggle around inside. I just have to secure it, and the rest of the wiring goes in here. Hopefully everything puts back without any problem. All right, so, and finally we are going to route everything back and see if this PowerCell 8 does a good job. All right, so here we have the fuse box cover right here. So I need to go ahead and test out which one is constant, which one is switched. So as of right now, I'm gonna test to see whether or not some of these are hot or some of these are switched or constant. So right here, negative. So let's check the bottom ones. So they're all not reacting to, so far, not reacting to anything. Let's try the second row. All right, so this row is constant. Yep, definitely constant. And the top row, yeah, the top row is good and it's switched. So we don't want a constant fuse because we don't want constant charging. That's gonna go ahead and deplete the battery. So probably gonna do the top row. All right, so let me go ahead and ground it first. Pry it open like that. This should be a 10mm bolt. Oh yeah. I'm gonna crimp this. This. All right, it's all good. Like so. Okay. Whoa. Should this turn on? Is this turning on? Yeah. All right. Nice. All right, guys. So I'm finally done. It's almost 6. I gotta get back. But anyway, just give you guys a final look at how this has been wired. I finally went ahead and hardwired everything. Here is the cabling. It's very nice. Toyota made it really easy to go ahead and hide everything under the headliner, especially with the interior camera, the front camera, all the way over here, down here. And then with the BlackboxMyCar hardwiring kit, it went all the way down here. I still have to hide this wiring, but basically goes all the way through here under this OEM plastic wire box, right? And right through under this, right into the box like so. And the rest of it, the hardwire kit, goes under here again, goes under here, right through here. All right, and it finishes right over here. It's very easy actually. I just slipped everything in like that, and then over here I grounded it here, and then fuse tapped it there. All right, and here it is. Here are the fuses. This row is constant power, so, and then the rest of this is actually the 15 amp right here. The battery fan main, I think this is also constant. So I couldn't go ahead and tap on the bottom because of the direction that the fuse tab has to be in. It's not going to be enough space. Anyway, that's it. I went for this route, right? Because there's more space to hide the PowerCell, and also over here on the driver's side, not enough space. Right? I was contemplating whether or not to do it on the driver's side, but if I go ahead and do this on the driver's side, the fuse cover won't fit. And this is just like my dad's old Lexus. You can see the interchangeable parts or covers. I'll have to go ahead and put it in the glove box and everything like that. So I'd rather have this here. Wiring will probably be much easier and shorter, going through here, but the hardwire kit for the actual box, the charger box, won't allow me to go ahead and wiggle my way through and put it over there, because there's definitely not enough space to put the PowerCell here. But anyway, I hope this video was useful. I mean, I definitely feel good about this. Definitely feel good. It's still using, it's still powering up. Oh, probably because I'm powered on. All right, so once you power this off, because the battery does not have power, it's gonna go ahead and just fade out. But the wind is doing its thing. But on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.